Okay?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, in the last class, we have learned if z belong to this axis, the principal argument of z is 0. If z belongs to here, the principal argument of z is pi above 4, pi above 2. Okay, here is pi, yeah. Here is minus pi above 2. Okay, this is the first case. The second case. Okay, let me see. If z in the first continent, if z is here, we know z equal x plus iy. Okay, here is x, here is y. So, if we want to obtain the principal argument of z, we know is this theta. Yes or no? If it's this theta, this is y, this is x. So, if z belong to the first quadrant, we know this theta we can write arc tangent y above x. Yes or no? But if z belong to here, if it belong to the first quadrant, this theta is more than 0, less than pi above 2. But if z is here, this x is negative, this y is positive. So, if you write arc tangent y above x, you see x is negative, y is positive. So, y above x is negative. Yes or no? This is negative, we know. If y above x is negative, so this angle is a negative angle. Yes or no? But we know the principal argument of z must satisfy more than minus pi, less than or equal pi. More than minus pi, less than or equal pi. But if you write like this one, this angle not satisfy this condition. So the principal argument of z is not this one. You need plus pi. If this one is negative, plus pi, so is this angle. Understand it? Understand it? Okay. Continue. If z here, if z is here, you know. This is x, this is y. If you write arc tangent y above x, but this angle, you know, y is negative, x is also negative. So y above x, this is positive. If this is positive, so this angle is also positive. If this is positive, not right. Because if z is here, the angle maybe this angle, maybe this angle. Yes or not? Please tell me, we choose this white one or this red one?
Red one.
Red one, because you must satisfy this condition. Yes or not? If you need to satisfy this condition, so you must choose this red one. If you choose this red one, so this is not right, because this red one is a negative angle, not positive. But this is positive, so you need minus pi. If you minus pi, it's negative. Understand it? So if they belong to the third complement, the principal argument of Z is this one. If they belong to the second complement, it's this one. The first complement is this one. Okay, the last one. If they belong here, okay, this is Z. If they belong to here, please tell me, X is positive, Y is negative. This is positive, this is negative. If you write x tangent y above x is negative. So, please tell me, if this is Z, you have two truths. The first one is this big white one. The second one is this negative one. Please tell me, if you want to find this value, you need this red one or this white one. White one. But this white one is so big.
The red one.
So more than pi, not less than pi. Yes or no? So you need to find this red one. And this red one is a negative. But this one is also negative. So if they belong to fourth complement, if they belong to the fourth complement, is also this one. Okay, so now we obtain two formulas. If they belong to second, is this formula. If they belong to third, is this formula. Okay? If they belong to these four axes, is this four axes. So now please, according to this formula, please compute some question. The first one, please compute the principal argument of 2i. The second, the principal argument of 1 minus 1 plus 4i. The third one, principal argument of minus 2 minus 2i. Okay, complete by yourself. According to this formula and this formula.
Which one?
Mm-hmm.
Which formula and which formula?
These two.
Somehow understandable. Somehow ununderstandable.
So actually we can't choose the other one.
Which one? Okay, no problem. What's not okay? You can picture it. Yes. Yeah. Okay. The first one is very easy. But how to do the second one? It's also very easy. So I need you remember this formula and this formula, not future. Because you can see if this is 2i, 2i is here. So the principal argument of z is pi over 2. Okay? If z is minus 1 plus 4i minus 1 minus 1 4i,
Negative 2 pi.
the second. So now,
Yes, negative
if z is in the second, this is the second.
2 pi.
So you can write
2 pi.
arc tangent y above x
Negative 1
is minus 4
over
plus pi. Understand it? And this side. Here. Okay? Minus 1 is here. 4 is here. So it's in the second column. In the second column, you can write in this formula. This formula is arc tangent y above x is minus 4 plus pi. This is the last
But
answer.
the formula is telling us arc tan y over x. What if we write arc 4 over negative 1? Oh, it's also negative.
Y is 4,
It's called
x
negative
is,
4. Yeah,
x is negative 1.
And
Understand that? Okay. The third one.
negative 2, negative
Minus 2.
it's 2.
Minus 2
Yeah.
is here.
Then it will be
If z
negative,
is here,
negative 5 over
we
2.
can use this formula. Use this formula. So you can write arc tangent y above x. Y is minus 2.
Negative
X is y minus 2. So 1
1.
minus pi.
Then it will be equal to
Yeah.
pi.
Arc tangent 1. This is a symmetrical angle. You can compute this is
45 degrees.
pi about 4. Pi about 4.
Pi over 4.
Yeah. So
Pi
the
over
last
4
answer is minus
pi
3 pi
over
over
4.
4.
Laushi, but this is the third one you showed us.
Which
That's
one?
argument for the
This one?
no, those arguments. Yeah,
Uh-huh.
you showed us that is from that negative part of the y-axis.
Uh-huh.
Negative 2 pi or negative pi over 2.
Negative pi about 2.
Yeah, it's in that part.
Negative pi about 2 is here.
Yeah.
must in this axis.
Yeah.
Yeah, not here or not here.
Oh.
So this formula is 4 axes. The first one, second one, third one,
and
fourth one.
Yeah.
This formula is the first complement, the second complement, the third complement, the fourth complement.
Then I'm wondering.
So all of them.
I'm wondering what if we take -2 over -2, then we find 1.
-2. Yeah.
Like here, we are having -5/2, right? Then this is for x-axis, and this is for y-axis, right? Then for y-axis is this side. Here it will be -2. Then this side will be going to this -2 will be going in, right? Then if we take this side, like -5/2.
No.
We come, right? Because you said it's for this side, it's -5/2. Then we found out that the number, this number and this one, they will meet through this side.
Yeah.
If they will meet to this side, we take -2, then over 2, then it become 1. Then we know after 1 equal to 45 degrees, or 5/2. Then if we take this 5/4, then negative this one.
No. You can't.
How come to bring this?
Of course. If Z is here, please tell me this is the laser of this vector, and the direction of this angle is this angle. From here, begin here to here. Okay? This is one truth. The second truth, you can also from here to here. But we know this angle and this angle, only this red one satisfies this condition. You must satisfy this condition with the cohesive angle.
What we do is consider this condition.
This condition is because there are many theta for this Z, but there are only one theta satisfies this condition. If your theta satisfies this condition, we say this theta is the cohesive angle. This is the definition.
If we take 5/4, it will be less than this part. If we take 5/4, it will be less than this part.
Yeah.
But it will be greater than this part.
Yeah.
Then we take the this one. Like if this one is around.
If this one is so big, because here is 0, here is pi, so this big angle is more than pi, so not satisfy this. But if you choose this red one, this is 0, this is minus pi/2, so here maybe minus, more than minus pi/2, but less than minus pi. So satisfy this one. So you must choose this red one.
So before I do any question on this, I have to first draw this one. After drawing this graph,
No, you only judge this Z belong to this one or this one. You only remember this formula and this formula is okay. This one not you. This one also not you.
if I use this way, then I take
This Z not belong to this one. This Z, if Z equal -2i, this Z belong to the third complement. So you must use this formula, but not this one.
when is this one required to be used?
Here, only this axis. Only Z here.
Like this here is zero axis
Yeah,
and like
X is 0, Y is
-4.
negative.
That's why I will do.
Yeah.
Okay.
answer, remember, is very important. It's very important. If this one you can understand, we can continue. We can continue. So next choose question. This two. Use this formula. Finish. Finish.
Yeah.
Finish. Yes. Hey. The first one. Which continent? X is 2, y is minus 6. The first one. Yes, the first one, only arctangent y above x is okay. The first one, yes, there. And the first one is the same. What's your answer? No. What's your answer? No. Not true. Oh my god. This is what? This is not z. This is arctangent. Y is 6, minus 6. X is 2. Yeah. Huh? Yeah. No. Not delete this one. So 2 minus 6i. 2. X is 2. Is here.
Yeah.
Y is minus 6. So z is here. If z is here, z belongs to the
-5.
fourth one. Fourth one. Okay. Fourth one, only write arctangent y above x is okay. Arctangent y above x is arctangent y.
Of -3.
Yeah. Finish.
Oh.
The last answer is this one.
Yeah.
Okay? But if x is minus 2, y is 8. X is minus 2, y is 8. So belong to the second. If z is the second, use this formula. So we call arctangent y above x -4 plus pi.
I did it.
It's very difficult.
Country. How did you do the first one? How did you do the first one?
How did you do this?
The first question.
The first one.
The first one.
Now,
The
2 minus 6i.
2 minus 6i. Yeah. 2 is positive. Minus 6 is negative. So belong to the fourth complement.
So when you choose what? -3 plus pi.
No, because I have told you, if z belong to the first and the fourth one, these two. If you want to compute this one, you only write arctangent y above x. This is right. If you plus or minus, is wrong. If z belong to the second one, you must plus pi. If z belong to the third one, you must minus pi.
or she gave us another exercise.
I have proved.
So now she
I have proved. Yes or no? So you only remember it's okay. Yeah. He said if this is plus, is positive.
Machine, what is meaning?
If this is plus, this z belong to the first one. So you can also write arctangent 6 about 2. So it's 3. Understand that? Understand that?
So now she here about this graph. Like if it's this one, you're going to use this. But if it's this one, then you're going to use this.
Yeah. Yeah. Yes.
But it seems the same. It's just the same.
If they belong to this one, this one, this one, and this one, use this one. If they belong to here, 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 and here, use this one. Only all is okay. All is okay. Understand? All this, use the first one. All this one, the second one. All this, the third one.
It's not only the graph. She's talking about the area.
The area. No, but
He wants to say, wait. She wants to say, if for example, the point
yes.
is on this one, or maybe on this one,
Yes.
or on this one, then if the point is on like that, is that one that should be?
Yeah. Use for
But if the point is somewhere here,
Yes.
somewhere,
Yes.
here, somewhere, is that one?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Just like that.
So if you have 1 0 like that, the point
If
is
it's 1 0, for example, it's 0.
Zero.
0 is here and 1 is here. So it's here, is that one.
Yes.
Basically.
yes.
But if it's for example, it's 1 and 2, 1 is here and 2 is here, is that one?
Yes, you are going to use this. Yes.
Yeah. Understand? Continue. Okay. If you know how to compute this one, you can compute all the argument. All the argument. All the argument theta. We denote big A. So this big A equal this small a plus 2k pi. This is all the arguments, all the theta. This is one of the theta. If you have found one of the theta, you can obtain all the theta. For example, if they belong to this continent, z equal 1 plus I. Okay? Z is here. So the principal argument of 1 plus I, we know this is arctangent y about x is 1.
Yes.
So equal pi about 4. But if you know this is one of the theta, if we want all the theta, so the big, if here is big A, if this is big A, this means all of, all. So equal pi about 4 plus 2k. So you must think carefully. If here is small, only 1. But if here is big, so all the angles. Understand?
So it differ from the capital letters of the arguments.
Yes.
So if you, for example, if you compute this one, this is big. So first you compute this first, then plus 2k pi. But this, I have told you, you can use this formula because This is minus 2.
Yeah.
Minus 2 is
Negative 2.
minus 2 is here.
Yeah.
So the principal argument is
It would be 2 pi.
pi. Pi.
Yeah.
Pi. Yes or no?
Yeah.
So the last answer is pi plus
2k
2k pi.
Yes.
So this is one of the arguments. This is all the arguments. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. If this understand, so
These are the same.
okay, continue. Okay. Just now I have told you if z write x plus iy, this is the algebra
form.
from form. Yeah. So if you write like this form, this is the
Triangular form.
triangle form. If you use Euler formula, you can write R E I theta. This is the measure form. And you know R is the modulus of Z.
Yeah.
You can write
Square of x square plus y square.
theta is one of argument. So if you obtain all this one, you only choose one is okay. If you choose one is okay. We often choose this one. We often choose this one. But you can also choose another one. So theta is only one of argument of Z. So for example, okay, if Z equal 2 plus 3i, this is the algebra form. If I want you to write the triangular form or exponential form, can you write it? If you write in this form, you need computer R and theta. R is what? Is the modulus of Z. Yes or no? So equal x is 2, y is 3, 13. So now, theta you say, you can choose the principal argument of Z. Z is what? Z is 2 plus 3i. This one, so this one, which column? 2 here,
Yeah.
3 here.
Yeah.
So the first one, the first one, the principal argument, you can write arc h y above x. Okay, this one. So this is the algebra form. If you want to write triangular form, you can write this is R cosine this angle plus I sine this is the triangular form. If you want to write this form, you can write this is R multiply E I, this is theta. Finish. Finish. Write on the blackboard. Understand? Please write on the blackboard.
Right.
You will write your answer on the blackboard. Okay?
Yeah.
It's right.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. But there is a small area. Where?
Rashi.
Here
Rashi.
is plus,
Yeah.
not minus.
Rashi.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Or you can use another.
What's wrong?
You can use another.
Use what?
Another.
Okay. What's meaning? What's meaning? Cosine. Huh?
This is after.
Uh-huh.
Then this is cosine.
Uh-huh.
So this.
This is a triangular form. If you want to in triangular form, no E. If you try in the last exponential form, not cosine or sine. So that student, he's right. Yeah, yes or no? You?
Right.
You write this one?
Which one? This one.
Yeah. He's right. If you write E, I, here not cosine. This is theta, is okay. Yeah, it's finished. If you want to write in this form, no E, no I. No E. No. Wait me. Okay. Yeah, no E. Wait.
Y over X.
还没有。你要去接下午。你给你妈打电话。
Like this?
No. Yeah. I. This is only theta. You can. Here. R, E, I, theta. Yeah, you write this one is only theta. R, E, I. Yes. Yes. Yeah. This is right. So all of you understand? Okay. So if I give you a complex number, you can make this complex number in this form. Why do you write in this form? Because if you write in this form, make computer is easy. For example, if you want to write Z1 multiply Z2 multiply Z3. If Z equals this one, if Z1 is x1 plus I1, this is x2. Yeah, this is x3. Okay, if you make this multiply this, it's not easy. Yes, okay. So if you write in this one, this is RE EI theta E. Multiply R2 EI theta 2. This one R3 EI theta 3. Multiply. But this one is very easy because RE multiply R2 multiply R3. EI theta E. Yeah. This is so easy. Isn't it? So if we write this form in this form, it's very important. It's very important. For another example, if you want to compute this one, this is Z1, this is Z2. Okay? If you write in this form, this is very easy. You can write R1 above R2. Multiply EI, here is
I1 minus I.
theta 1 minus theta 2. Yes or no? So, this is also very easy. Yes or no? If you want to compute z and power, if you write z in this form, hey, this is very difficult. But if you write in this form, this is very easy. Okay, this you can write. Yeah. Okay, understand? Okay, if you understand this one, so please do a question. Do a question. Please compute. This question equal what?
To be equal to I 1.
I don't know.
This one.
Yeah,
To be equal to negative 1. Negative
Do it.
negative I.
negative I.
Negative I plus negative I negative I.
You have finished?
No. Equal to 0.
Negative
Equal
R equal to 0.
no.
0. No.
To be equal to negative. To be equal to I. Now she equal to I.
I. No. No I. No. It's you. Please do. Not say. Please do. You must do.喂，你给爸爸打个电话了，妈妈在上课。Finish it. Try it.
The result is
Okay. Finish it. But R is not 1. The modulus.
R equal to 0 of course.
R equal to this is 1 and this is 1 2.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Understand that? Here you need also write R. Okay. Here also R. Yeah. But this one you can continue. This one you can write 250 power.
Yes.
Listen up.
Yeah.
Here you can write EI 25 pi. This you can compute. Because this one equal cosine 25 pi plus I sin 25 pi. This one? So cosine 25 pi is
25 equal to
-1. Đúng không? Yeah. Sine 25 pi is 0. Yeah. So the last answer is -250 pi. This is the perfect answer. But if you write like this one, is also right. Write like this one is also right. Okay? All of you understand it? If you understand it, I give you some homework. Okay? But you have no book. All of you have no book.
we want to go to see
Okay, please see. Your book's name is complex function. Complex function. Okay. So I give you some questions. Please do by yourself in your bedroom. Next time, give me check. Okay? 6 questions.
Sure about what's the meaning of those signs R, E, and I, M?
This first one, second one. Huh? This is the real part. This is the imaginary part. I have told you. You forgot. This is the real part. This is the imaginary part. If z equal x plus iy, this is the real part. This is the imaginary part.
No, when you write like that, you want that we give you the real part.
You find the real part.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So please tell me the real part of this number. Right here. Right here. Understand that?
Yes.
Yeah.
So about the third question, we give the answer in triangle form. We have to give the answers in triangle form.
Not only the answer, but also
Triangle form. Like the answer should be in triangle form.
No. Not the angular form. This is the real part, this is the imaginary part, this is the modulus, this is the argument, this is the principal argument, this is the partial fraction. How to solve this question? You find method. It's not about these 3 forms. But maybe you need to use these forms to compute this number. Maybe you need to use, but I have not told you. You find your method. I only need the answer. Okay?